I got a nice, cool, full tank of gas. Yeah. I need. Oh man, there's crap in the roads. What do we got? Nice cover. Oh, this is one where I need the 360 camera. I don't know if I'm able to get what I need to get. Ripping it around. Here we are at the JC Penney. Yoink. You guys are probably wondering, what is he doing out so late, riding off into the sunset? Because I'm literally heading west right now. So I got a DM message, and they pointed out that there's this building called the Cancel Building, K-A-N-S-E-L, and on the side of this building there's a mural, not a very large one, but a mural nonetheless, and I want to go and get a picture of it. The only issue is getting a picture of it might break some local laws when it comes to where motorcycles are supposed to be and not supposed to be. So I figured I'd wait until they closed to go over there. That way I don't create such a disturbance and get this shot. Why they got a lawnmower parked there? This will be blurry. But if I put the bike here, I could probably get a shot. All right, I'm out to go capture more beautiful shots. It's a gorgeous night tonight. Be safe. And that thing looks amazing.
How's it going?
Pretty good. Robert, I'm Marcus. Nice to meet you, man. That's a pretty color. That sounds good. What the hell?
Sounds like a four-wheeler.
Kinda, yeah. Huh? Yeah. Is that you I'm hearing? Nice. Yep. Have some fun. So we're out cruising around at night. It is a gorgeous night out. A little bit humid though. A little bit humid. We stopped off here in the arches at Twister City. Lexi, my new friend Lexi here, and my new friend Robert. Lexi pointed out that the reason that all the sport bikes don't meet up here is because it's really not sport bike territory. So this is Harley Davidson's Twister City. So we might be just a little bit out of line, stepping where we don't belong. So
we couldn't pick a better time to stop by.
That's true. Yeah. They're all hanging out at the Quick Trip. Yes. They're all hanging out at the Quick Trip, standing around. So why not, you know, capitalize on the territory? So Lexi is on a gorgeous pearl white ZX 400? Z400? And then Robert's brought out this just gorgeous, just freeze frame in time R1, 2007. This thing is just immaculate. Like the condition is amazing. And you can tell he takes care of it because like these blinkers, original windscreen, like, it's amazing. So we're stopped off, taking a little break, not really doing too much of the highway thing, just kind of hitting some of the back roads. We'll probably cruise past Coke and go through some of the twisties over there between Oliver and, what is that, Hillside? Yep, Oliver and Hillside. And then, you know, share the adventure and see where it takes us. Some of us are already complaining that our backs and butts hurts. So, we'll see.
I remember when I started.
We'll see. Oh yeah, I still get cramps in my hand. Like I said, I recently changed out my my levers, so it is what it is. But we're just hanging out here for a few minutes, and then maybe we'll hit the Quick Trip, fill up on water, caffeine, whatever we need, and then continue on. So the night is young. You'd be surprised. Yes, you can. The throttle's a little bit twitchy, but that's about it. Yeah, that's a good spot to remember.
Yeah, I like that.
Yep. Yeah, I figured you'd like it. They recently just resurfaced it, so we'll take this up towards Woodlawn and pull into like the Dillons or something. Hey, we're gonna take it back to downtown, and then we can all just kind of do our break off. But we figured if we get you to downtown, we get you closer to where you live. Okay. Yeah, we'll just take Woodlawn to downtown. Maybe I'm just crazy. He's got this. I know. How's your night going, brother? Hey, pretty good. Man, the parking lot is full tonight.
Concert.
Oh, really?
Yep. Ice Cube and somebody else.
Ooh, I'm completely out of the loop. How did I miss that? Ice Cube? Seriously?
Apparently.
What the? Have a good night, man. Stay safe.
The next day.
All right, I'm gonna swing by Douglas and Washington really quick, see if I pick up any riders, and then cruise on out, because I've got a bridge to find. I love it. Well, I got a bridge to find before that thing goes down. You do? Want to go track it down? Cool. You're already thinking of how you can get into trouble tonight, aren't you?
He's another guy that wants to ride his bike.
Hey, hey! The boy who lived! Nice! There's a covered bridge I want to check out and get a picture of my bike in front of it and whatnot. You're welcome to follow along. I know! I felt threatened. Yeah, I opened it up. You're good. Alright, go for it. I'm gonna figure out a way to position my bike.
I'm good.
It's all good. Here, if you could.
He's an NPC.
If you could. They're all just NPCs.
Yeah, he just adds realism to the fucking racing.
Alright, I'm good.
All farmer rednecks.
Okay. Yeah, the bikers, they came and they parked in front of the bridge and they took pictures and they left. Can we get an officer out here? Watch the truck. Hey, pick one and do your thing. We won't look. Hey, you guys want to take surface streets back over to Douglas and Washington and see who we pick up? Is it 2 lanes? We got 2 turning lanes? What? Oh no. Go ahead. Come on. You got it. I already opened up the lane. My backpack, Stranger Things. I know, they're all standing around. Why are they standing around? What's up, Trouble? I don't know, I went in for a fist bump, a handshake, or something. How you doing?
How about you?
Pretty good. We've just been putting around the city, just staying out of trouble and whatnot. They got the high energy I like.
Well, it makes me want to buy the biggest JBL I can.
Just strap it on the back.
The next evening.
Oh my goodness. Cattle crossing? Well guys, this is Lexi. She's the brains of the group. Lead the way. Oh, look at you. Yeah, I like them. He cracks me up. I have no idea like where that came from. Oh, my kickstand's down, isn't it? Damn it. So in case you guys are wondering, this is a Zero motorcycle. I've been talking about going out to either Oklahoma City or Tulsa and taking one of these for a test ride. A couple of the ones that I looked into building or having built out for me are somewhere in the 200-mile range. Jesse, what did you say your buddy's name was? Colby. So, yeah, she's a little bit taller than what I'm used to. And yeah, there's no clutch. Kickstand up and then she's ready to go.
As soon as that thing is blinking, it's not blinking, you're ready to go.
Oh, that's different. That's fucking weird. I don't know how I feel about that. Okay, and then when you... Oh my goodness, that's smooth. And she's very upright. Okay, and then I should have... Okay, I got rear brake as well. Oh my god, it's spooky. I love it. Why are we going off-road? Oh, oh. Woo!
I had you for a minute.
She's quick, yeah. Yeah, you did. It's quick. That instant torque is no joke. Yeah. Alright, you watch this.
Oh,
always.
Give it the beans.
Beans!
Oh, leave. Hold on.
You gotta be fucking kidding me.
Oh man, it won't leave.
And fucking E-Burnout. I'd never seen a E-Burnout. Wow. What a good send-off, Colby. Magnificent. Alright, get home safe, brother. One piece.
You know it.